This is what's on Airam's mind. Thank you for coming up and watching my video. This is another episode of the IBC for the aquaponics. Today I will be making the holes. I'm gonna use this bit. This bit right here is a this one right here. It's a I believe it's a 30, a 5 and 32. I will be just making holes. I'm gonna measure it. I don't know if I'm gonna make it maybe 1 inch or every 2 inch because they're pretty long, and they have to be, I want them to be equal or the same on every side. So basically, what this is gonna do, this is once I have the clay pellets here, it's gonna be, that's about 1 inch or 2 inches from the top so they don't fall over. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna hydrate the plant so the siphon can work. So basically it's gonna have the water fall in, and then it's gonna go up the siphon and then down, and it's gonna keep on draining up and down. And I'll be regulating the flow with this valve right here. I still haven't received the filter yet, but once I get that, I'll show you guys how I'm gonna build it. The filter, I didn't make a video on how to cut it and flip it. There's already like hundreds of videos on that. If you guys want to see a video of how I did that, once I finish this one and get it working, I'll do another one if I get enough views and like on this video, and I'll give a complete detail on how I did everything. Like I said, there's hundreds of videos out there and information on how to do this. But like I said, if you guys like it and like my videos, then I'll be more than happy to help you guys with it. Like I said, I haven't glued anything yet, so I'm gonna take it all apart, and I'm gonna go ahead and start drilling the holes. I'm gonna show you guys how I did it, and so you guys can maybe if you've never done it before or have never used a drill before, I'll show you how to do it. That's gonna be the drill that I'm gonna be using. For this build, man, I'm not gonna lie, you do need a lot of tools. Think that I already had them, but if you're gonna start, it will be a little expensive when it comes to like buying a drill and the bids and all that stuff. So it's not cheap. So can you do it by hand? Yeah. Do you have to do this right here? No. This is just the way I'm doing it. This part of the video, you're gonna need a drill, okay, with whatever size drill bit you're gonna use. You're gonna need some kind of measuring device. You can use this from Home Depot. I got actually this for free in Home Depot. You could buy one of these. Also, they're pretty good for circular things. You could just measure pretty good. Usually you find this in like a craft store or Walmart. You need some kind of vice grips or grips to keep your stuff in place, and a marker. The reason I'm doing it like this is because when you're gonna drill, right, you're gonna drill like this, and it helps to sustain and it won't fall off. I also always recommend using protection, eye protection, right? Okay. First thing you got to do is measure. I'm thinking I'm gonna do it every 1 inch, a hole probably every inch. I'm gonna do it on the top where all the writing is, because I don't want the writing to, like, I'm all about aesthetics, right? So I don't want this writing to be showing while people, if somebody comes see my garden, I don't want people to be seeing all this writing. So since this is gonna be flipped down, I'm gonna do all the holes on top of these writings, okay? My PVC pipe. So the first thing you're gonna do is just measure, right? Probably every inch is probably perfect. I'm gonna use this one because it's really solid. Doesn't have to be perfect. I already marked everything, and I'm gonna be drilling holes. Make sure when you're drilling it, you don't push too hard because you don't want to go all the way through the other side. Just let the drill, just put a little bit of pressure, let the drill do its work, okay? You know, I don't know if you guys ever know how to do this, but if you put it the opposite way, so it goes this way, so it goes this way, okay? It's to loosen it. So you grab right here, and that loosens it up, right? And it's the same way. You put it you push it to the right, and then you hold the bit at the same time, slowly, and then just hold this part right here, and that should do the work. Let the bit do the work, right? Don't force it because you are going to go to the other side. Just slowly, you know, open your holes. Simple as that. All right, they're not going to be perfect, all right? Never put your hand on the bottom, okay? Because you go drill, and if you push too hard, you're gonna drill through your hand. So if you're gonna put your hand anywhere, make sure you put it on the other side or something. Never on the bottom or close to it, because you will hurt yourself, okay? So like me, like if I want to hold it right here, I'll bring it up here. But like I said, you don't need too much pressure in this one. So, all right. So this is the final product. So see how you don't see the writing on top? That's what I was going for. I don't want to see any writing. I mean, it's kind of hard because, you know, sometimes you have the barcode and stuff like that right there. But see, there's no writing anywhere around here. So that way, now it's gonna look more presentable. So this goes right here, like in the edge, right? Sorry about that. So it goes all the way in the edge, and then the holes are in the bottom facing down. That way it drips down on all four sides, and the water fills up and goes to the middle. I'm probably still gonna have a little bit of water right here, and that might be a problem. So I don't know if I'm gonna just fill this area up with something. I have no idea yet. But that might be a problem for future, you know. It's way better if it's flat or a little bit higher on each side, so the water can drain straight to the middle. Kind of like when you make a bathroom, you know, you want one side to the drain higher. So I did it today. I got look at my pinky all purple. So I glued this area right here. I did not glue, so I'm not gonna glue any of this, all these pipes. I'm gonna try not to, because when cleaning comes, say it gets clogged or something, I can take them apart, you know, put them through the hose, clean them out, and then put them back on. So I did glue this area right here. So this fitting right here, I glued it, and I'm probably gonna glue this. I haven't, I don't know, I'm not gonna glue this yet because I don't know where the pump is gonna go exactly. I don't know if it's gonna go that way. I have no idea yet, so I'm not gonna glue that. This is the same thing. The siphon and everything, I did not glue any of that stuff because I'm gonna be able to take it out and fix it if I have to. I am most likely, because right here, I have a feeling there's gonna be crap falling in there. I did make holes there, so you could go through, but I don't think I made them big enough because I was afraid that rock was gonna get in there. So I don't know yet. Other than that, this is where I am right now. You guys, you know, I have other videos in my channel. I have you know, how to change your oil. I do a lot of DIY kind of projects. I like to do a lot of things myself. So if you guys like my video, please share it, like it, hit the little bell button so you can see when other videos gonna be popping up. I don't only do DIYs, you know, I do a little bit of blogging, and I have a lot in my mind, so that's why the channel's called What's on Airam's Mind, you know. It's because my brain is going crazy sometimes and I need to share it with the world. I have a lot of knowledge. I will be making some videos on when it comes to like medical stuff. I am a paramedic firefighter. I have a lot of experience, law enforcement, so I will be uploading some videos of that. Please, like I said, comment, share. Thank you for watching this video. Much appreciated.